Hey, 5th and 6th graders, Mrs. Fondra here today to talk to you about our bell ringer this week. It's all about unity. Now, if you've heard the word unity or united before, it's when things come together, kind of like the United States of America. We all come together to make this country. Every time I like to say unity, my hands come together because it's just so ingrained in me that united is together, unity is together, and that's exactly how it applies to art as well. So when you look at a piece of art and you feel like everything just looks as it should, everything has come together, it looks finished, it looks complete, it has unity. That's what it's called when it's a final finished piece. If you look at the definition I have written under the question, I write when all the elements come together to make a balanced, harmonious, complete piece. It's appealing to the eyes was the official definition I came up with. But my question to you as you look at this piece of art, you can see above, it's just a painting of a village kind of nestled into a valley by these mountains. If you scroll down, there are two different images to look at. The one on the left feels like it has more unity compared to the one on the right. So I want you to tell me why. You need at least one complete sentence, and it might be helpful if you use another vocabulary word to explain your answer. So maybe talking about the color or emphasis, or just explaining why the one on the left has more unity than the one on the right. Okay, so I don't want to get too far into that because otherwise you're gonna you might get the answer just from me telling you. So hopefully that makes things clear. If not, please send me a message, write a comment, send me an email. I'm happy to help you out with this. All right. Can't wait to see what you write. If you have any other questions, let me know. We'll see you next time.